Welcome to Innovative Physique Development. Here we have the weight pull with the bar. In the first segment, I show the side lat pull is performed with the bar, and in the next segments, I show how the bar is used to perform the frontal pull in both front and rear views. I show the pull in the palms down position and employ different pulling heights to hit my back differently. This is also performed in the palms up position to hit the biceps differently. More of the biceps and less of the brachialis. The front pulls with the bar can also be done with the handle, which I hook onto the rope when I perform this exercise. Different weight bars can be used for more shoulder conditioning. This exercise is an overall body exercise that primarily targets the back, lats, shoulders, biceps, brachialis, and forearms. It is also an overall conditioning workout for the rest of the body, since you aren't sitting or supported at a machine and you aren't standing still either. This exercise is a cardio exercise and employs the upper body rather than just the lower body, which is characteristic of what you would find in a gym. Rate of force development or power can be trained due to there being no inertial resistance loss in the sand. Speed can be trained if you reduce the weight, and more of a strength component can be trained if you increase the weight and increase the distance or time of the exercise to work on endurance. You can pull the weight through different areas of sand to increase or decrease the resistance as shown. And further along in this video, I show an example of how sand and twigs can collect in, on, and around the plate, and how the plate digs into the sand, depending upon where you're pulling it, which increases the resistance greatly. We have here a 45-pound plate and a 35-pound plate. Since then, I've upgraded to an additional 25. We have a 3-foot chain, 2 snap links to connect the chain and the chain to the rope, a 50-foot rope tied in half to make 25, a snap link that then attaches to a handle I sourced from Amazon. The bar is a galvanized steel pipe which can be of any diameter you wish, capped off and either filled or not filled with sand. For more information, please go to innovativephysiquedevelopment.com and take part in either individual or group training sessions. Fitness accessories that I am manufacturing can be found at innovativefitnessproducts.com. Thank you. Here I am commencing pulling the weight with the bar in the palms down position. I am pulling at different levels to hit my back differently. I also pull with my hands in the palms up position as well, with my elbows tucked into my sides as I pull. As can be seen, the lower body is taking part as well in these movements to help ensure an overall body workout and increase cardio conditioning. Power, speed, endurance, and strength can all be trained in the sand with a resistance that is completely smooth and has no inertial loss. Now, one thing about training outdoors in comparison to training in the gym is that you have perfect air quality outdoors. You don't have any buildup of carbon dioxide in the air when you're training in an environment that's fully clean and fresh, as you see here out at the beach. This is very important when it comes to endurance training, where cardio aerobic capacity is being stressed and is one that you are looking to improve upon. So you can really pound out more intensity into your aerobic workouts when the air is fresh, and the fresh air can be found outdoors in a fresh outdoor environment such as this one. Here I'm showing the same pull from a rear view. as I move along this exercise, watch how I change the level with which I'm pulling the bar. Okay, I'm pulling low, as you can see. Now I'm starting to pull higher up. Notice that. See how the bar is going straight back? So I'm changing the angle to get different muscles of my back. And you can see how the bar is being raised, which gets the front deltoids. Here you can see the sand and twigs that collect in front of the plate that varies and increases the resistance significantly.